assuming away any income effect on fertility decisions in the face of high unemployment, fertility rates will tend to. Okay, now just see this. See, if there is high unemployment, then this is going to go ahead and lead to lower wages in the economy. When there is lower wage in the economy, then people have lower opportunity cost of leaving work. They can leave jobs because there is lower opportunity cost involved. Even if I leave job, I am losing less income because wages are lower. So this is going to go ahead and this is going to increase the fertility rate among people. So now it says that what happens when there is high unemployment? When there is high unemployment, wages will decrease. When wages will decrease, opportunity cost of working is decreasing, of leaving job. So there is a decrease in the opportunity cost. And when the opportunity cost is decreasing, then people can decide to leave work. So fertility rate will increase. So the answer is A. Okay. 1, it gave me a hint that unemployment is high. When unemployment is high, automatically there will be lesser wages. When wage will be less, opportunity cost of leaving work is less. I can easily lose my work. That's fine. So there is falling opportunity cost. When opportunity cost decreases, people lose work, fertility rate can increase. So rise due to falling opportunity cost.